Welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It's time for a mystery box unboxing. If you are new here, welcome to my returning subbies. Thanks again for joining me. Here we are again. As you guys know, I love mystery boxes. I'm a big fan of stationery supplies and paper crafting, so I'm super excited to see what's in here. Some of my American craft favorite designers are Maggie Holmes, Paige Evans, Heidi Swapp, and more. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. First off, I want to do a shout out because I came to know about this box through Kim's Inspired Life. And if you're not familiar with her channel, please make sure you do. She is a talented paper crafter. I love her travel vlogs and I love her hauls. So let's open this up. And funnily enough, real quick, I won the giveaway that she hosted in that video. So I'm super excited to see what she sent me. So thank you so much, Kim. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh, this was pretty heavy. Here is a first look at what's in the box. And I'm curious to see, because this has been out for a few months now. I haven't really personally looked at everyone's hauls except for Kim's. But oh my gosh, I see some awesome goodies in here. So let me pull this aside and let's take a look. So first up, let's go ahead and pull this out. This is, again, one of my favorites as well when I first started scrapbooking. And I got most of my supplies from Tuesday Morning. If you guys remember that store, we no longer have it. This is by Schimmel. So let's flip it over. And it looks like it comes with 20 cards. We have some ephemera. We might have to dive in and make some of these and look at all the selections. So that is pretty awesome. We'll put that right over there. Oh my gosh, this caught my eye and I love these gem dots. I don't have many and now I can add this. I have a card that I made recently and I'll show you in just a little bit. I may show you here. I love this. This Bo Bunny Brighton Rhinestone set. How cute is that? And then it has this tool. It's a 3-piece set. So I'm excited to open this up in just a few. So let's do that. And then we have Moonlight Magic washi tape. And I love these as well. You can also use them like painter's tape if you are working on your watercolor or ACOs. This is really cool. And then mixing them up in different patterns and then creating different layouts. So that's really cool. Washi, although I would have loved a different design, but that's still really awesome. Oh my gosh, guys, check it out. This is really awesome. This is a stamp and die set from the Valence Sketchbook collection. How awesome is that? I love it. The fact that you can stamp it and then do the die cut in perfect form is awesome. So that's really cool. I love that. Gonna play with that. That's really cool. They've also included the Pebbles ink pad, and how fun are these colors? That's really cute. And these are also perfect sizes for on-the-go journaling. If you have missed my on-the-go journaling bag share, make sure to check it out. I'm definitely gonna add that to my little Ziploc or zippered case. Oh my gosh. More stickers, 417, and these are awesome because you guys know how much I love coffee, love photo-themed stickers and books. That's super cool. We have our sentiment words here, and I love that it's in the cursive script style flowers. This is so cute. So it's definitely matching. Oh, it is from that collection, Reasons to Smile. Here we go. We have our plants, so perfect for our planners. And then you have the black and white little frames. Oh my gosh, love this. That's super cool. Let's put that right there. Oh my gosh, look at this 200-piece Moonlight Magic. I am really loving this collection. It has that vintage feel to it, but let's take a look at the back and kind of get a preview what these papers are. This is so much the kind of aesthetic that I like. I love it. This is really pretty. And so many, and there's some with little tabs too. Wow, that's really awesome. So much crafting to do. We got another Bo Bunny one, and this is 36 pages. It's called Beautiful Things. And here are the pages. Let me just take the sticker off here. And let's do a quick flip through of what these look like. Oh my gosh, look at that. These will be fun to make envelopes or cards and all kinds of things. So I am super excited. Oh, love it. We'll put it right there. There's more items in here, guys. We have Stardust by Jen Hadfield, and I'm loving the tickets. Look at these cute little sentiments. There's 6 sticker sheets, and then we have also 6 different layouts. So that's really cool. I hope you can see that. Put that right there. We got our little, oh, how cute. These are cute charms that you can add to your journals or planners. And they have also, again, fun little sayings and, what do you call it? Oh my gosh, my daughter Lil is actually graduating. It just gave me an idea. I can attach it to her little gift or card, and it says yay and happy day. So I may be likely using these tassels for that purpose for their graduation gifts. Ooh, that's going to be awesome. Oh my gosh, this brings back so many memories. Yes, during the Tuesday morning days, there were so many thickers, is what they called them. And a lot of these were definitely available and at such an affordable price. But I love this. And here we go again. We can use it for the handmade graduation card. And I might likely use that card set that we have there, Reasons to Smile, and just create handmade graduation cards for my daughter Lil and her friends. So I'm excited to use this. We got more of the thicker sketchbook foam sticker letters. This is so pretty. Wouldn't that be nice for a spring journal or even for a baby journal? That's cute. I may share some of this or I'll probably create a scrapbook layout for my niece Dahlia. That would be amazing. So that's another project I'm looking forward to making. Now it looks like we have larger pieces now of, gosh, look at this. Foiled stickers. And this is the Flower Child. So I love the retro style here. I would love this. And then we have all these other elements that will be fun to add to our scrapbooking and journaling. There's also some random paper sheets here. So let's take a look. So it's a double-sided Flower Child. So that's perfect to match that. Love this Live and Grow. And this is another Jen Hadfield. And look at how colorful that is. Oh my goodness. That's fun. I love this side. And this one's from Joyful Notes. And it's Favorite Person. Oh, I love this. It looks like it has that watercolor textured antique garden. That's really nice. I will say, guys, now that we're looking through here, I'm a little disappointed that we didn't see any Maggie Holmes or Paige Evans. And I may have to look into just buying the more specific boxes. If I were more inclined, I may likely do that. But otherwise, super happy. This is so cute for summer. And we have a sketchbook. Oh, I love that it also matches some of the items that they included here. So that's cool. Oh, this is fun. This is, again, another summer theme. Ooh, I like this one. That's really pretty. Antique Garden. Oh, I really like this one. That's really nice. And then we have the Stardust collection. Looks really beautiful too. Oh, wow. Isn't that pretty? I can see myself making that into a cover for a journal. That's really gorgeous. Here's one from Schimmel. It says, never grow up. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? That's really fun. We got Pebbles. All the cake. Oh, what a nice surprise. I love that. A really big writing spot. Oh, I love the colors on this one. Orange. These are really nice paper pieces. And now we have one from the Moonlight collection. That's so cool. And here, this one is a more Schimmel Sparkle City birthday thing. Oh, I love this. This next one, you guys are junk journalers and love lace. Check out the avocado lace from Bo Bunny. That's pretty neat. I love it. And here's another cute one for like a celebration birthday theme. And this is by Pebbles. I love the grid on the back. Here's one in bloom. That's really pretty. I love that watercolor look to it. And then here's one from Wonderful. It just says Wonderful Sketchbook. And that's like, wouldn't that be fun? We are doing a collaboration called Give a Scrap, and it's in celebration of Earth Day. And this is definitely giving me that vibe. So make sure to check that out too. We got smiley faces here. Another Moonlight Magic sheet. Oh, wow. Oh, I love this side. That's really pretty. Wow. And then we got Sunny Blooms. Oh my goodness, this is really cute too. And then Jen Hadfield, we have, oh, these are so cute. I love Free Hugs and I love the book. All these cut-aparts are super fun. Love this. Let's see, oh, that little birdie, and I love this as well. Let's go on the back side, little purple there. We also have a Christmas one, Holly Jolly Holiday. Ooh, I love the holly. It's really cute. Whoa, we got a really large paper pad here. And let's see, Pink Paisley was another really very popular brand. So let me take a look. So this was retailing for $15.99. So let's see what this looks like. Wow. Love that. Tell your story. Perfect for our journals. So I'm just going to do a quick little flip of what these pages look like. Really cool. So we'll put this right there. And then we have a couple more pad paper here. This is from Amy Tangerine. Oh my gosh, I love her too. And this is Brave and Bold. So let's open it up and see. This one has 24 sheets. I think she came out with another new collection, but this is really, these look like really fun ones. Chill Out. And then we got the florals. This is a little different palette for her, but she definitely likes bright. But there you go. That's really neat. And then our last item in this box is by Jen Hanfield, and it is the Groovy Darling. Let's see, 180 pieces. So this definitely has that retro vibe. So let me show you. There's a sticker sheet at the top in the front here. How cool is that? And then you have, oh my gosh, I love it. The cowboy boots and the rotary phone. Definitely very cool. This is pretty fun. It also has that like 1970s groovy vibe. And then they have these plain paper that we can use for a lot of other projects. Here's another look at what we got in that mystery favorite designer box. Let me show you real quickly. I really love the Bo Bunny gem dots. I went ahead and put some to embellish a little nature card that I made. So I used some corrugated cardboard here, did some wax gilding. This beautiful jelly plate paper was given to me by a new crafty friend who's an actual local artist here in NorCal. But there are our gem dots on our butterflies. I may be adding another sentiment at the bottom here. Now, if you're still watching, I'm going to go ahead and do a little hidden giveaway. Just put the secret word, and it's going to be, let's see, Pebbles. I'm going to be giving away this sticker pack from Schimmel, Pebbles stickers, and also our little stamp set. I realize I have too many of these ink pads, and I'll also include a stamp set that'll be a little surprise for you. So whoever wins it, put the secret word, and there it is. And then I'll do the drawing for the winner probably on the next Tea Tuesday, and then I'll be mailing it out to you guys. All right, thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.